We just got this Mosfiata knife recently, and I just want to show you all about it. First of all, look at the packaging. This is so beautiful. It would make a great gift. So I'm just going to open it up. Here it is. Comes with a blade guard. I'm going to slide that right off. Check this out. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's like wood grain. So shiny. Handle is gorgeous. Comes with a finger guard, which I have never used before, but I will, I'm going to check it out. And it also comes with a knife sharpener. First, we're going to start with a piece of paper. This is the ultimate test. I have this other knife here, which I like. We've had this for years, but it's nowhere near as sharp as this one. Let's see how this does with this demonstration. Wow. Let's see if this other knife can do the same. No, it cannot. Let's try this one again and just show you that that wasn't a fluke. Here, I gotta turn it over because it's all bent on that side. Okay, there we go. Look at that. I love it. I'm going to test the knife out on a few items here. We're going to start with the tri-tip. My husband made this the other night. So delicious. He is the cook in the family. I am not. He decided to buy this knife because he hates all our knives. But this one is really good. So I'm just going to, oh my God. Oh, that was so easy. Okay, let's check out this one here. Oh yeah, it takes more effort. More effort, a few seconds longer, but no, seriously, this is by far superior to this knife. Let's see how it does with a lemon. Here we go. Oh my, wow, this knife is amazing. I have never ever experienced such an amazing knife before. Seriously, that was incredible. Okay, I'm gonna check this out. Oh my God. It's so hard. That's hilarious. Okay, let's see how it does here. Oh, look at that. Effortless. This is incredible. Okay, now we've got a potato. Let's see how it does. Oh my God. I can't get over this. Okay, now let's check out this side. Oh, yeah. A little more effort, right? Look at that. Holy moly. That's amazing. Let's take a look at the onion. This is a huge onion. Oh, just cuts right through. No problem. Let's see this one now. Oh, way harder. Oh, that takes so much effort. That's ridiculous. The finger guard, which I have never used before. So I guess we just go like this. And, this, I don't know. My least favorite thing about cooking is prepping and cutting up all the vegetables and everything. But now, I don't know, maybe this just makes it such a pleasure. I may get into cooking now. I love this knife. And like I said, I just may take up cooking now because now it just makes it such a joyful thing to do. I love it. I give it 5 stars.